And so to be one to lie to the captain, sure I'm coming back. But I walk along and meet up a tree line, cover up at last, and they're raging at the beach for some light. But like the birds I was given on this time, and to stop believing in the return, and I went on. And so vaguely I still hear the bangs, but not what's going on. I guess they're raging at the beach for some light. But like the birds, they're forgiven every time. But then I know that I'm a stranger in this land, and I wake you up by speaking what you cannot understand. All I said was there were mountains in my way, but they're slowly disappearing, and I balance when I feel you to my skin. Well, in times like these, even travelers can win. And so two behind trees when they walk just for the backing out, and the vessel's gone and I will stay to figure this one out. I bet they're raging in the seas for some light, and like the birds they were given up this time. And now I hold on for his greeting me to stay, and we slow dance in the kitchen, and I dream the days away. And just like Los Angeles, you are right on time. There are louder cities somewhere, but I don't think I'll be back where ringing stays. In a place like this, I should never feel afraid. Oh no. And so get around, this is Hanson Life. Guess my rhythm grew through my darker time, I was not the killer, I was the one just setting sail, with a fear of sour winds just turning downward with the hail. Oh, I was raging in the field for some light. Like the birds, I was forgiven with this time. And in the sunlight, I just can't believe your face. We're some laundry line relievers, we're just kids in many ways. And you smell like smoke and honey in my arms. I am somewhere in some falling, and I'm learning up your language for to say. Well, at times like these, I should never grow away.